Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add picture in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Keynote software. Now we can see there are many slides. Now I am creating a new slide. Then click this image option and go to choose media. Then we choose image from our file. Now I am select a picture. We can see here our image. Now we can see we insert a image or add image very easily. You can add another image. Again click choose media and click this another image. Now we can see here the play later. Now we can see we add image into Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.